Welcome to A Minute with Pavel Ahmed, a seasoned graphic designer with a knack for transforming ideas into visually compelling experiences. With a career spanning several years, Pavel boasts a versatile skill set that marries creativity, strategic thinking, and technical proficiency. His design philosophy: impactful visuals that not only seize attention but also communicate a brand's essence effectively. Specializing in areas like branding, print design, digital media, his work reflects a meticulous attention to detail, a keen understanding of design principles, and a commitment to delivering projects that surpass expectations. Throughout his career, Pavel has collaborated with diverse teams and clients, translating visions into designs that resonate, be it crafting a brand identity, designing marketing collateral, or creating an engaging user interface. Pavel approaches each project with enthusiasm, dedication, and a focus on producing meaningful, aesthetically pleasing results. Proficient in industry-standard design software like Adobe Creative Suite, Pavel stays abreast with emerging design trends and technologies. His goal? To create visually stunning designs that contribute to the success of brands and projects he works on. Thank you for tuning in. Get ready to explore the visual storytelling that defines your brand with Pavel Ahmed.